We'll be brewing our new release. We call it the Wildflower because it really has upfront floral notes. So let's start brewing. I'll be grinding my beans to a medium fine setting. On the Easy Prezzo ZP6, it's 3.7 grind size. It's very fragrant, very tea-like, and it has notes of sampaguita. We set our temperature to 93 degrees Celsius. Grabe, kamat-kamat siya. So with 15 grams of coffee in, we're going to pour 250 ml of water. 1:17 ratio. And we'll be doing a bloom of 50 ml for 45 seconds. We're going to do a 3-pour recipe. So we bloomed with 50 grams. And we're going to pour 100 grams for the second pour and another 100 grams for the third pour. So that's very floral and tea-like. Okay, alright. So you get that upfront floral taste, similar to jasmine or coffee blossom. It's very tea-like and very sweet. So you get a very sweet finish. So as the coffee cools down, you really get a sense or a flavor of the jasmine or the sampaguita. Perfect for a conversation starter for your friends. It's a very light coffee. It's also perfect over ice. I'm very curious if someone tried this as an espresso. If you have, please comment below, share us your thoughts. If you want to grab a bag for yourself, it's available at our shop and also available online on Shopee and Lazada.